Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you in just 2 minutes turn yellow teeth to shine and white like pearls. It is super effective remedy in teeth whitening at home with very simple ingredients, and the visible results will be visible from first use. You will notice a visible results, and all you need to do is use it once and your teeth will turn to white and will shine like pearls. It is super effective my friends and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to prepare this remedy is cumin seeds, and we need to grind it fine into a powder, and in a clean mixing bowl add 1 teaspoon 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Then, my friends, we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil and add around 1 teaspoon. It will help your enamel to shine like pearls. This sweet almond oil works 100%, my friends. I've tried it and I've tested. It's super effective. Then, my friends, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And don't worry, my friends, baking soda with almond oil, it's not gonna harm your enamel. It is amazingly effective in whitening yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white. Mix with the dry ingredients like so. Then we need half lemon and squeeze the lemon to get the fresh lemon juice like so. And mix very well. Now, with an aid of your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so and brush your teeth. It's going to whiten the yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white naturally. It's amazingly effective, my friends, in whitening yellow teeth. Keep dipping the toothbrush into the remedy and brush your teeth again and again, and you will notice a great results from first use, my friends. I hope that video will help you too. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.